Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a really quick fish tacos recipe. Let's go. Alright, this is going to be a pretty easy recipe. So we're going to take some beer battered fillets and throw them in the air fryer. Luckily this package came with air fryer instructions, so it says 400 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. I'm just going to do 4. We'll start with 9 minutes and check on it. There we go. And while that's in the air fryer, we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. So for the sauce, we're gonna do about a half a cup of sour cream. And then about a third of a cup of mayonnaise. Then I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of sriracha. A pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and the juice of 1 lime. We're just going to mix this together. And that is our super easy fish taco sauce. Alright, let's get our tacos assembled while we wait for the fish to finish up. It's got about 3 more minutes. So I like to buy this angel hair coleslaw. It's super cheap and it's already pre-cut or shredded for me. And it just makes my life a lot easier. And I love the crunch that this gives. I don't really like lettuce on tacos because it's not crunchy enough, so this cabbage is perfect. So we're going to add a little layer of cabbage to our tortillas. And then I'm going to add some red onion. So I'm just going to slice up some thin slices of red onion here. So I'm just going to add a few slices of red onion, and if red onions are a little too potent, or any onions in general, I read a trick that you can kind of just blanch them for a couple seconds in hot water and it kind of takes away that initial stingy burn. But I kind of like that burn, so we're just going to leave them raw like that. Our fish is done in the air fryer. So I'm just going to cut this into chunks. Ooh, it's very hot. And on one of the tacos, I'm going to drizzle over our fish taco sauce that we made. And on the other, I am obsessed with this mango habanero salsa. It is extremely spicy. So be careful. And it kind of builds, so you think it's fine, and then it hits you. And I'm going to squeeze fresh lime over both of them. And last but not least, I'm going to add some fresh cilantro. And that is lunch done. That was super easy, super delicious, super quick. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.